Cilantro is a cooler weather plant. It requires full sun, very good soil, loose soil, and a lot of water because it has a lot of leaves. And of course, the planter should have good drainage. So here I have this big planter in which there is mostly compost, and I have made holes in this, which are like about an inch deep. So, cilantro seeds or coriander seeds are hard to germinate. So, you should soak them in water for at least 24 hours and then crush them a little bit. And then you can just put them in these holes, and that's what I am doing. And then just cover it up, water it. And then for the seeds to germinate, it needs two things. One is warmth, and the other is moisture. So you water it and then just keep it warm, meaning it should have full sun, 3-4 hours of sun coming on the planter, so it will germinate very quickly. It's been 2 weeks and you can see that the seeds have started to germinate. Cilantro should be planted wherever you plan to grow them because they are so tiny, the saplings are so delicate. So now you can see that the cilantro saplings have the true leaves. So initially they develop the seed leaves, which are thin, long leaves, the first two leaves, and then the true leaves come out, these round ones. It's been a couple of months and you can see that the plants are about 7-8 inches tall and they have a lot of lush green leaves. This means that it requires a lot of water, but now they are almost ready to be harvested. But I'll wait for some more time. So cilantro has two seasons. Because it's a cooler weather plant, you can either plant the seeds in fall and then in late winter you will have good plants, or you can sow the seeds in late summer and then in fall you will have good foliage there. Look at this cilantro now. Now these plants are about a foot tall. And look at these stems, they are so thick. So now they are definitely ready for pruning. So keep pruning them from the top, leave some leaves at the bottom so that they can regrow, and just keep enjoying them. And whole of spring and early summer you will have good crop of cilantro in your for your kitchen. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.